Hey guys, so as we are approaching the worst month in crypto, which is September, I want to explain you why this is the most important month in the crypto. And the reason is, this is the last red month when everything is cheap, everything is going down. And what I will be doing personally, I will be buying every dip, every big crypto crash that will be happening in September. And the reason is that the next upcoming month, October, is the best month in the crypto history. Looking at the historic charts, it is usually green, everything is pumping, everything is going up. And the main reason is that retail is coming back to this space after the summer, after the vacation season. The school season has already started, and October is usually really bullish. Also, before the 2021 bull run, crypto, especially Bitcoin, started to pump in late October. And the main reason is because smart money, the VCs, big whales, they understand that the retail will be coming only in the fall, in October, November, December. These are the best months when the retail is coming, because it's winter, no one is going outside, everything is sitting at their PCs, watching crypto prices. In summer, nobody is doing that. So don't expect anything huge happening in the crypto in September. That's why I'm just chilling right now, filming this video, enjoying the summer as long as it still is here, because nothing will happen in September. And this is the last month we can take advantage of cheap crypto, cheap NFTs. I'm looking especially on the NFTs, because I think NFTs will outperform most of the crypto coins, because NFT is still really new technology. Big brands barely started to come in 2021, early 2022, and I think this year, the 2024 Q4 and 2025, brands will take full advantage of the NFT space. That's why I think brand NFTs is the main ecosystem in the NFT space. But if you have some decent funds, CryptoPunks is the best choice for retaining the value, because CryptoPunks will always be the most valuable NFT collection. Also, I'm looking on projects like VEVE, the first Batman, first Spider-Man, first Supermans on the NFT, on the blockchain, the first appearances. I think these will do like 30x to 50x. For example, Superman will most likely do like 30 to 40x. Batman, the first Batman, will do 50x in my opinion. That's why I'm really bullish on the VEVE as well. The gaming projects that have their own NFTs will go really insane, because everyone is bullish on gaming. Why I'm bullish is because gaming in itself is a big utility for NFTs. There will be big money spent for the marketing. That's why big companies will onboard huge gamers in the gaming world, into the crypto space, in the NFT space, and all the followers of these gamers will start buying NFTs, all the skins, weapons of these games that have the weapons or characters as NFTs. That's why the gaming will be huge. The gaming is also the biggest entertainment ecosystem in the world. It is bigger than Hollywood and music combined. That's why don't fade the gaming NFTs, don't fade gaming. Also, historical NFTs will be huge, but I think the utility is the most important aspect that you should basically search when you are doing some research on NFTs, because everyone wants the utility. People want to get free money for holding NFTs. That's why I think projects like Bored Apes, Pudgy Penguins is the most underrated NFT project, because there was so many airdrops for the Pudgy Penguins holders in 2024. It's really insane project. I think the CEO, the Luca Nets, is doing an insane job for the Pudgy Penguins brand. And my prediction is that Pudgy Penguins will be the biggest NFT brand in the upcoming crypto euphoria. That's why if you have decent funds and you can afford to buy Pudgy Penguin, I think the floor price right now is like 10, 11 Ethereum. It's around $33,000. If you can afford that, I would buy if I could afford a Pudgy Penguin. But yeah, overall there are so many opportunities that you can take advantage of. The same VEVE economy, the OMI token has like such a big utility and so many new things coming soon, like VEVEverse. That's why I would definitely recommend you not to fade the VEVE OMI. And that's not a financial advice. And yeah, if you haven't bought any NFTs in your life, I would recommend you to install the MetaMask, go on OpenSea, follow some big projects like Artifact, Adidas, Bored Apes on Discord. And yeah, just watch some tutorials how to buy NFTs, how to do your research, because I think NFTs will be really, really huge. And yeah, looking at the history, September is the last month that we can buy NFTs cheap, crypto cheap. That's why if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press that subscribe, press the notification bell so you don't miss on any upcoming crypto NFT in Age of Alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.